Alright guys, so I'm going to show you a quick easy way to clamp a hose when you don't have a hose clamp, or you want something that maybe doesn't look like that big bulky hose clamp but it's going to do just as well, and it's nearly free. So a lot of times you find hoses that are either too narrow to get a clamp on, or they're too small diameter. The clamp distorts, the hose distorts, it causes nothing but problems. So this is just a quick easy solution using a bit of little safety wire and a pair of safety wire pliers. This can be used on like you guys with turbo applications where you're blowing off vacuum hoses and that kind of thing, and you know that real small diameter is really hard to get a clamp on where it doesn't get slippery and get popped off under boost. And so just as a demonstration, just because the booster hose on this one is vacuum and it's pretty easy to film without trying to dig in, so I can give you guys a pretty good idea of what it takes to do this. So again, I just take 4 or 5 inches of safety wire, wrap it around where I want to do, so kind of make a U shape, and then I wrap it all the way around again. Bring those together. I usually like to line them right up. Let's see if this is going to allow me to do that. So, just put it on there like that. Get it kind of tight. I mean, you don't have to because the pliers are going to take it up. And then I cross them back over, because that's where you're going to clamp the pliers, is in that crossover where they X each other. So let me get the pliers on it and start you back in. Okay. So you can see the pliers are X'd across the wire there. So what we're going to do, make sure it's where you want it. And so the pliers are actually for doing this. You could use a regular pair of needle nose. This is just something I have around. And so you just start to twist it until it starts to tighten, keeping everything in line. And then you'll see it start to get down where it starts to pull everything tight. You kind of see it there that we've lost all the wrinkles. Everything's nice and getting flush. So you're getting pretty close to being tight. And so here's where you want to be a little more careful as you're spinning, because eventually if you spin it too hard, you either break the wire, or you break what's underneath, or you tear the hose. So you got to be a little bit careful, but it's not really that big of a deal. And so you'll tighten it up until you start to see the safety wire just start to bite into that rubber hose, and then you're done. You just take this, squeeze it off. You don't really need all those wraps unless you're trying to press somebody. I usually cut it down to 3 or 4, and then just push the tail out of the way so it doesn't catch your finger next time you're under the hood working on it. And that's literally it. Like I said, this works good. This one's a little more for demonstration since it's 3/8. I usually try to use this on smaller diameter stuff, 3/16, quarter, 1/8, because finding hose clamps in those sizes isn't easy. And this is literally as good, or maybe even better, because it's damn near free as long as you've got safety wire around. So just a quick Rock Ape how-to tip. Stay tuned for more. Like and subscribe.